Alright guys, in this video I'm going to change the oil in my Hyundai Tucson. I've got the car on ramps to gain access and I'm going to start off by removing the under tray. Now I've got enough room to work on the oil sump and the oil filter. I'm using a 19mm socket to loosen the sump plug. Make sure you've got a bucket ready, something to catch the oil, and I'm doing the last few turns by hand. And guys, I'm not going to pretend I'm perfect. I've just shared some of that oil with a driveway. I'm going to leave the oil to drain for around 10 minutes. Now we're done. Make sure you change the washer on your sump plug. Now I can put this back where it's supposed to be. Now it's hand tight, I'm just going to tighten it up with a socket. Alright guys, now it's time to change the oil filter. The Hyundai Tucson has a metal filter which screws in underneath the engine. Usually these can be removed by hand. When the oil filter comes off, they do leak a little bit of oil, so remember to move your bucket underneath the filter. If you're struggling to remove your filter, you can get a tool which goes around it that gives you more leverage. I didn't record it, but I gave the area where the filter is a good clean. Alright guys, to replace the oil filter I'm using a genuine one from Hyundai. I'll leave the part number in the description. I'm also using Shell Helix Ultra 530. This is the recommended oil in the owner's manual. Here I'm preparing the new filter by putting oil around the rubber seal. Now let's install the new filter. This type of filter is installed by hand. You don't need any special tools. Screw the filter on until you start to feel some resistance. When the filter makes contact, you need to then tighten it by hand an additional 3/4 to 1 full turn. The filter should be snug and secure guys, but not so tight that you need a wrench to remove it later. If you over tighten this, it can damage the gasket and cause a leak, so be careful. Now it's time to replace the engine oil. My car is still on the ramps, so I'm going to put around 3 litres of engine oil in. Then I'm going to park it somewhere flat and top it up accordingly. Don't forget to put the under tray back on. Okay, the car is still on the ramps, but the oil is registering on the dipstick, so I'm going to move the car now to somewhere flat. Now I'm going to top up the oil until it shows around 85 to 90% full on the dipstick. You guys know how to do this anyway. This is the last step. We're going to reset the service light on the dash. As you can see, we've got a reminder there that says service is due in 5 days. Toggle to the user settings using the buttons on the steering wheel. Then scroll down the menu until you see service interval. Press the OK button on your steering wheel. It'll take you in and show you when your next service is due. Hold down the OK button for 5 seconds and you will see the message reset time and distance, yes or no. And then if you press OK, it will reset it to 10,000 miles or 365 days. Just to check that that's worked, I turn the ignition on and we don't get the service reminder, which is a good sign. But we can also go back into the user settings and click OK on the service interval. Next service due in 10,000 miles or 365 days. Thanks for watching, and if you've got a Tucson, check out my other videos. Subscribe for more. Thank you.